Green Java, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, so done, done. Close this application. Then go to Excel. Now open any sample data. Sample data. No sample data. There is no sample data. Okay, I think this is data. Today we are going to learn power pivot. Okay.
Okay.
Before going to learn this, I want to show you how it works. From here, the data models. You can manage the data.
Data model.
In data model here, you can say this another application which is integrated here named Power Pivot. Okay. From now here, you can access SQL Server from Access. These are the topics. I am going to download.
जरा क्या इको हो रही है सर
हाँ
आवाज इको हो रही है आपकी दो बार
मेरी आप इको हो रही है अब हो रही है क्या
No,
अब नहीं हो
no,
रही अब नाउ
it's cool. Good, sir.
ओके ये मोबाइल से ही अच्छी मतलब ये नॉइस कैंसलेशन इसमें है ये लैपटॉप में है कि नहीं इसमें जितने भी पंखे चालू है जो भी हवा चल रही है सब रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है दिस इज रॉन्ग नाउ एक्सेल फाइल से लेंगे नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट फाइल पाथ एनी फाइल पाथ wherever we have files on desktop okay open any file Salic, Polo, book, Aryan, no, no, I will want that files from
Excel data.
stock transfer. Okay. Now this file we are opening. Is the connection? Yes, it's connected. If you want to select more from connection, okay, click on next. These two tables are there. Sales data and stock in hand is there.
Okay.
And you can select multiple select related table if you have preview filter. Here you can see the filter. Okay. In this preview filter, you can filter the content as per your wish. Here you can drag it and expand it as per your requirement. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is clean and clear data. But one thing, what is happening, there is a very misleading and misguiding data, is this right? Because here you can see no headers. F1, F2, F3 is name of the table, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And another one we have to check preview and filter. Same here. And I can do nothing, anything here. Just I can create. Okay, okay. Now finish. Now it's finishing. Now close. After that, again, again I go to the some other sources. Go to some CSV file we want to import. Uh, okay, CSV file. Text file to import. Next text file. From here we will down data. Okay, and click on open. This is the data. Now finish. Only one file is there, right? And
Yes.
select the comma for comma separator. Okay. In advanced option, there are some other options. You can set ANSI, you can set this ANSI, American National Standard Institute,
Mhm.
UTF, Uniform Text Format, Unicode system. This is the 8-bit system and 16-bit system. These all systems are created by American National Standard Institute, ANSI. ANSI, this is the encoding system. Where are some, you may say, it's a character set. It is just a character set which are showing us the character of multiple languages. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Mm, okay. Finish it. Now, okay. Data has been imported. Now close. So this is how data we entered. Now we have three things. One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. Now in this record, what is happening? Because I captured this data directly from the file. So there is an error in this file. Here you can see, okay, no headers are correct. To correct the header, we have to open this data in what? In a Power Query, right?
Yes.
Okay. There is no correction item. Here you can see there is no correction item.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay.
But here you can see there are two kinds of views. Now I am in this view. Here, can you see? Here, I am pressing control. See my cursor. Where is my cursor? Here, on the screen.
Mm.
Is it appearing? Okay. Here you can see. Go to the diagram view. Click on the diagram view. Here you can see diagram view appear. Same view you can generate. Go to the data view. This is the data view and this is the diagram view. This is the data view and this is the diagram view. Okay. Now, when I open data view here, you can see I can calculate the area, calculation area. In calculation area, I can use a calculator or write some functions. If I wanna write SUN equal to, here you can see SU, substitute sum, right? Functions are arrived. Sum of uh, data F10, data F10, data F10, data F10. Okay. Now complete the code and enter. Okay. Add a new column and here you can see the answer. Um, Here there is an error. Oh, why error? Because measurement error. I think formula is incorrect. Why formula is incorrect? Measure one equal to, it's correct now. Why it's not being? It's already correct. Okay. Later on, I will show you how it's work. Okay. The first thing to understand is the relation. The most important thing is here design. Here you can insert the function. Here you can create the function relationship. For that purpose, you can freeze the column also here. By doing this, you can freeze. Simply, if you have multiple columns here, no, it will freeze. Okay? It will freezes the column, freeze. Whatever you want to freeze, if I want to freeze this, it allow me to freeze, it just freezes the column only. Okay? Okay? So now here from here you can insert the function. There are so many functions are there, like truncate, username, upper, lower, signage, square, S square root, around, right, left, etc. You can use any one of them. The same calculation option. The most important thing is to learn is relationship. What we are going to learn here? Relationship.
Relation.
These are most important. After that, there is no need to go here. Okay. Here you can set default field. Here you can make a sub sort of data. Here you can add 1, 2, 3, and 10. Move. Okay. If you do that now, so remaining cells will disappear.
Mhm.
A sorted data will appear in front of you. Default data set. Okay. uh, table behavior here you can change the table behavior also. Now come to the main topic. From here you can create pivot table or a pivot chart. Simply create, it's creating new worksheet. Here you can see it's created the pivot chart. Here you can see all the tables. Okay, arrived, right? So F10 in values. Okay, this is what arrived.
Just you are
So
going to data and data model, right, sir?
no, I was in pivot power pivot. I just selected power pivot function from power pivot itself. From here, okay, this is the power pivot. In power pivot, I selected my pivot chart and
Okay.
done that. Okay, and create generated that power pivot. I don't know why system is lagging here. Okay, if I close this now simply without doing anything and
Hmm.
close this, nothing will happen. But if I check queries and connection, now here you can see the different connection. Here you can see the connections. Now connections are created. When we are working in the queries, queries were created. But when we are working in Power Pivot, it's creating the connection between different tables, right?
Yes.
Okay. ये बात समझ में आई अब्दुल रहमान? अभी वो रिलेशन फिलेशन डेटा पीवोट पे नहीं जाऊँ, मैं खाली ओवरव्यू दे रहा हूँ, थोड़ा डीप नहीं जा रहा, टेंशन नहीं लो।
ओके
जो चीज समझ में
ओके
आ रही है उसको ओके बोलना, ओके? क्योंकि
ठीक है
उतना ही समझना है जितना समझ में आ रही है। मैं एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज देते चल रहा हूँ, मैं एक्स्ट्रा चीजें में घुस जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा कवर हो जाने चाहिए सारे टॉपिक, वरना मेन तो है खाली डेटा रिलेशन, जो कि मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा। उसकी पहले थ्योरी पढ़ना पड़ेगा अपने को। क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा?
चलिए
और ये डेटा, इस तरह के डेटा पर हम नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते उसको। सिंपली यहाँ से जाएंगे, ये देखो पहले क्या हो रहा था कि पहले कोई भी कनेक्शन नहीं था, तो ये यहाँ पर ये वाला ऑप्शन एक्टिविटी नहीं था, राइट? अब देखो
हाँ
रिलेशनशिप दिखा रहा है। Now it's showing me that I can create a new relationship from directly here. Okay, but I don't want to create. First of all, we have to understand the relation which means what. If I go to Power Pivot and click here, here you can see simply if I click here, I can transfer this data. If I right click here, it will replace and it will show me the properties, etc. Okay, if I double click on data, it opens this connection properties. Okay. Now, if I go to sheet one here, it's showing me, do I want to save? Okay, save this file, save re baba.
सेफ है
Now here you can see, it's activated, right? It's activated, right? अगर ये नहीं था ना, आपका कंसिडर करो, आप assume that ये है power pivot हमारा, because of that these functions are working now, okay? क्योंकि
ओके
हमने पावर पिवट कनेक्शन ऑन किया करके वो डेटा दिख रहा है, ओके? चलो हम थोड़ा सा एरिया देख लेते हैं रिलेशनशिप की। यहाँ जाएंगे, इससे जाएंगे, ओके। The first word is DBMS. DBMS means database management system. Database management system is what? Database management system where we manage the data sets or data entries or files, folders, etc. Right? We control and organize them, right? In specific manner, in significant manner, right? So same like that, when we are handling the data inside the computer, this is called RDBMS. Can you connect or make a relation in between your schools or colleges or employment attendance register and connect with the payment register? No, no, you can't create the physical register connection. If this is a register, assume that. Can I create? the relation, if I open this, can I see this attendance register inside this register, my payment salary slips also? No, right?
No.
It's impossible to find it because this register is attendance register. But if I
Yes.
want to enter these details, I have to check another register, right? In real world, we can't connect this file each with each other. And there will be a big almirah. I have to find it. Means it's too much time taking to find and execute the plan of searching that document, right? Or that file.
Yes.
And it will be a time consuming. It will be a headache for you. Sometimes it will happen. Some insect will. This will be a edible thing for those insects, and it
Mm.
will you will have great damage. Okay.
Okay.
So from save this all things. If there are thousands of files, and do you want to make if you want to connect a connection between them, for assume that it's same like that. I already explained this terminology in Power Query. In that, what I taught you that is when we have three types of table. Three types of table. One is teacher table. In teacher table, teacher subject, teacher name, teacher place, and teacher number. And another one is student number. Okay. Student's
Mm.
name, student. But this and student details, student parent name, student classes, but the one another register is the combines of both, where we are showing which teacher assigned to the which class and which student belongs to from which class. And these three tables are connected. If I search teacher, I can connect, I can find any data from that one table single. That is called relation, right? This is called relation, right?
Yes.
One another example, I want to show you, demonstrating, see on the screen. Relation. RDBMS. If someone asks you what is data, it is a collection of information which is surrounding by in you, which is available in your environment. Everything which exists nearby is data, right? Nearby or far is it's data. But the meaningful data has a meaningful use. Now, in RDBMS, what we are going to learn, data integrity. Data integrity, we are integrating the data, means there are multiple sets of data and we are creating them one by applying some constraints. What are the constraints? Now see the images. Why computer is slow, I don't know. Here you can see in RDBMS, this is the file of phone number and this is the file of my friend circle and this is the file of my customer. But it might be possible my customer will be also my customer, right? Right? And so
Mm.
these three files are connected with each other. If I type something here, na, from this file it will grab or it will play the information related to as per my requirement. This is why this is called connected files. But in physical world, this is impossible because if this is the file of my attendance register, this is the file of my certificate. These are different files. We can't connect them each other by wiring, by connecting the wires. It's impossible. Na? Those are not electronic devices, right? Those are physical papers. How we can? Those are physical registers. How we can connect them with each other, right?
Right.
Hmm. So there are so many methods connecting data modeling. Data modeling. We are going to learn is modeling. Modeling. Oh, not modeling. Yeah. We are looking for PA modeling. In data modeling, here you can see the concept. In this concept, we can explore open image in new tab. After that, this. Okay. Entity relationship model. There are few kinds of schemas are there. Creating a schema of data. Physical entity, I am physical entity, this institute is a physical entity, right? Teacher is physical entity, students are physical entity, right? But
Yes.
the information related to us is not a physical, right? Okay. Information related to me, how I am looking, how my attributes are there, how my behavior is that physical? No, right now. Because my physical body is different and my behavior is different, my emotions are different. Okay. This comes in logical schema or in a conceptual schema. So we are going with this entity relationship model. Okay. In this model, what we are going to do, normalization we learn data formatting. There are so many kinds of modeling. Okay. But for simplicity, this is the best image to understand the relation. Now, where it's gone. Hmm. Wow, this table is very good. Open in new tab. Hope this table is visible to you.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Here you can see order line means the order data and date data. In date data only date ID, full date, month descending, year, quarter descending. This data is available there. Means all data date related data is there. This is the one table. This is second table. This is third table, and this is fourth table. Okay. And in this table, what is happening? Product ID. Product ID, product name, and categories are there. Means if product ID is 001. Product name is Aloo Kachalu. Category is Bihari Aloo. Okay. This is the one table. But this is product list only. There are some mirchis are there, some are kothmir are there, some aloo bhujiyas are there. This is the product. But product list and this is the order list. So if we want here also we can also show here how much quantity we have in our office. If you increase this table, na, if you increase the table data or extend the data, you may add some shipment charges, shipping, go down available, stock out, stock in details, right? But do you want to show this table inside this table? No, no need, right? Because if we show this table inside this order means ordered by person. One person can order multiple times, and one person can and that person can order multiple items. Okay, with multiple category and multiple sizes and multiple references, etc. With multiple so that much big data, if you are adding directly that data, means a number of columns, a number of rows will be enhanced, increased, right? And because of that data will become very much complex to understand, right?
Yes.
Huh? That's why we are putting all tables are separate. But if we interact with table, na, that automatically fetch that information which is available in another table. That's the method. This is called creating a relation. So this is the part, this is the relation. Means this table is connected with this table. And this table is connected with this is called snowflake schema. Sorry, this is star schema. Why it's star? Because this is the main table. This is the center one is the main table, and other all other tables are connected with them. I can connect some other tables also. So here is the customer table. I can connect vendor table. I can connect retailer table. I can connect transportation information table, right? Some other tables. But this order table is none, right? And this table is comprises of all information from some other table. And we don't want all product info in this table. We just want product ID and product name. We don't want other things there. We want customer details, but customer ID, but don't want customer name, customer address, customer location, customer priorities. We don't want that all things. Customer region, customer. We don't need in sales table, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, we can access only one, and this is the PK. PK means this is the common key. I already told you each table has at least one similar column or a similar header, at least one. If you are using different tables now, in those all different tables, one column must be same.
Okay.
That is called key table. What is that called? Key.
Key.
Key means you logged it. You connect
Okay.
by using if you are creating a port from there like that. Here product ID is a key, means it's the primary key. We are connecting this key to this product ID. Here you can see here because of this table has also a product ID, and this which for the connection is possible. If this not this header is not here, we can't connect it. Okay.
Okay.
Same in same that way, customer ID is here, and here you can see customer ID also here. If customer ID is not here, we can't connect it.
Mm.
Yes. But
Okay. In same that way, there is the date ID and date ID also here. So from each table, we are just using keys, primary keys, or you may say common keys. Okay. By using those keys, now customer ID, after that we are mentioning amount and quantity. And these two headers not available in this table. This info also not available in this table, and this info is not available in this table. So but the information of this table here arrived. Information of this table is arrived here. Information of this table arrived here because of the connection. One thing. Can one customer purchase multiple things? Yes, that's why customer one to many. One to many. The connection now. I want to show you what is one to many to many, and some other tables are there. Yes, this table. Oh, this table is amazing. You can understand very easily. Data modeling in Excel. In Excel, how it looks. See this. I already shown you this connection, right? Here you can see if I click on this power zeros and detect, I detected, already detected, go to the manage. In manage, here you can see diagram view. In diagram view, here you can see these are the tables, right? One, two, three. But there is no connection. If you want to create the connection, match this. But we couldn't do anything because the each cell does not have any primary key or a primary value or a common key. Okay, to connect these tables, we need say at least one column that must be same. Okay.
Okay.
Now come here. This is an employees table, right?
yes.
In employee table, okay. But every table has this is the title. These are the salaries. Okay. One person has many salaries. One employee can many salaries. So one is too many. This is the one. This indicates the one. This indicates the many. One is too many connection is created because one employee can take many salaries on multiple days, right?
Yeah.
So one employee, but employee table will be only one. Information are in employee table only one. But salary information of that person will be multiple because January salary, February salary, March salary, right? And some
Yeah.
advances also we can count. So that's why this is called one to many selection, one to many relation. These all are all to many selection. This is the one to many relation. And here you can see this is not called a star schema. This is called snowflake schema because this table also main and this table also main
Okay.
department. Okay.
Okay.
If one table is the center of all table, that is called star schema. If multiple table are main table, that is called snowflake schema. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Now here you can see department manager. Can some employee be a department manager? Yes, but not all employees are department manager, right?
Yeah.
Only one employee can. So here you can see, here you can attach one to one connection. One to one. But in this table, it's wrong connection. I am showing another table. Another. Uh. Wow, this is no, no, no. This is too much big. This. Open in new tab and open in new tab and open in new tab. So now come and see what happened to this. Why this much small image is this? Okay, here you can see. Oh, check. What the heck is happening here? I wanna show you. I wanna show you. Show. Wait. Excel one to many relationship. अरे very low quality images are appearing. Here you can see. This is the one, right? This is the star. Star means many, one means one. Okay, one to many, one
Mm-hmm.
to many
Many.
connection. Means from first table only one entry allowed, and that one entry person can do in second table multiple entries. That's why one to many connection. Okay, from many to one, many countries to one person. That is called
Many
many
too.
to one. Okay, and what is one is to one? Only one table, but if impact also be one. That's why one to one. So I want to show you one to one, many to many. Uh,
Okay.
Excel. Very important for you. What is happening? अरे यार, time pass. Something told, ma'am? Do you want to say something? Here you can see, yes, this is the table which we want. Where? Open main table. Before that, table relation. I don't know why internet is very slow, very slow, third class. Here you can see relationship one to many, many to many, right?
Mm.
But why I don't know, internet is slow, it's too slow working. Here you can see this is the class, okay? Class name and class. I gave you these examples already, right? In this one to many, because one class has many students, that's why
Mm.
one to many. But one class,
Yes.
only one class. In one class, there are no many classes. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is why one to many and
Mm.
many to one. Because many students can give one semester,
Yes.
Me
right?
too. Okay.
But each student doesn't have any multiple semesters, right? That's why
Yes.
many to one. One because one student only obtain or attend or you may say pursue only one semester at a time, right? Or
Yes.
pursue one semester, right?
Mm.
Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
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 So that's why many to one. Because in one semester, there are multiple students. There will be multiple students. That's why many to one. Many to one. This is one to many, many to one. And this is the also many to one. Where you can see total grade, student grade, and student. Because in student grade, there will be a multiple student, right?
Yes.
That's why many to one. But in grade system, only one student will be alive.
Mm.
And that one student can acquire multiple grades. Okay?
Okay.
This is how understanding the data. This is what about one to many, many to one connection. So what we need? We need similar data, first of all, which has a common keys in between them. Only those type of tables we can use there. A table which are too much different from each other, we can't use them. Okay. Here you can see simple definition, order, one to many. Here the ID is same, ID is same. Here you can see in this table also ID available. Here is also available. That's why one to many, because in one order we can purchase multiple items. That's why it's called one to many,
Many.
right?
Yes.
Up now, this hope you understand this concept one to many, many to many, and etc. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you have any question regarding this?
No, sir.
No, said so far.
No. Hope you understand this one to many or many to one connection. Now
Yes.
perform practically. Sir, show us practically. So first of all, we need to go to the chat GPT. Why I am going to chat GPT? Because I don't have that common data, right? I have to create it, na? First of all,
Okay.
chat GPT. Jhotko. Today I don't know why internet is very, very much slow. Unnecessarily slow. So taking too much time. Okay, now create the data. Hey, buddy, provide me the data sets. Provide me the data sets which are which are multiple, but having some common keys in between them, right? Or among them, in between them. After that, what I come to write is, okay, to perform operation in data modeling of creating relationship. Okay, this is enough. Here you can see it's created customer ID, custom order ID, order ID, order ID. Okay, product ID and product ID. On the base, these are three tables. I am downloading them. If they are asking me, I will download, but I don't know which kind of data will be there. I downloaded it. Open it. Is there any data? Oh, very much big data. That much big data we want right now. Now one downloaded, product also downloaded. Okay, downloaded. Orders also downloaded,
Order details.
and order details. Oh, all of them downloaded. One, two, three. Yes, four of all them are downloaded. Now go to the Excel. 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 In Excel, we can directly open them in different sheet, multiple sheets. Okay, we can directly open those all files. I am just opening the blank one. You can open multiple sheets there of those files. Okay, or you can create multiple directly connection. But I am just going through the blank sheet, and by clicking here, I am going to data model, going to 3D data modeling. In data modeling, I am selecting those all sources from existing, not from other sources. I want text files because those all are text files. I want to browse, select one. I need to select all files one by one from the downloads. Go to the downloads and what was the name of my file. I need to change this view. We need to set it sort by date modified. In date modified, yes, it's arrived, right? One, two, three, four, right? So
Mm.
first we will open customer. Open. Okay, now it's done. Now finish it. Okay, this one file has been arrived. Now close series. This has been created. Now go to the other source and same way select next. Here you can see there is an issue. I can't set multiple file at a time. Okay. Now select products, right? Customer
Mm.
recently we selected customer, right? Now, now finish it. We finished it. Now
Close.
close it. Now we have two tables. How we can see? Here you can see here. Here you can see my cursor is there. One, two, three, four. Okay. One, two,
Excel.
these two tables are there. One and two, product and customer, right? Product and customer.
Customer.
Okay, now another two table remain. I want to grab them. Grab here. Go next. Finish. Uh, sorry. Hmm. Another table name is what was the name? Another table? Orders, right? Okay. Now close this. This is the different way. Actually, on YouTube channels, they are using direct Excel sheets from there and correcting their direct connections. Okay, I'm using different method. Okay,
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, you can follow that traditional method also. I'm just using for something new to teach you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Hope you learned this before. Do you have any idea regarding this? All of you?
No.
No, sir. No,
Now,
no.
first time you are learning this, right?
Huh.
Now you can see I have all the tables which are sharing at least one similar common unit in them, right? How do I know? Just go and check in the diagram view. In diagram
Yes.
view, what happened to this head? Why this head? F1 and F. Okay, we need to save and close this. Uh, Here order ID is there. I am creating this connection to this order ID. Okay. Now here are the products. Maybe this may be a product ID, and I'm selecting connecting this product ID to this product ID. And after that, this may be customer ID. I'm connecting this customer ID to this customer ID. Okay. This is directly which I connected. Okay. This is how I can directly connect the thing. Okay. But there is another way also available. I want to show you. Before doing this, I am going to save this. Name it WWE. That's why I'm able to find the file. That that is the reason most of the time whenever I teach anyone, na, I name it Messi. I give always Messi name, which I myself unable to find. Now I am going to show you another method. That is just go here. There are our file in downloads. You can copy them or directly open them. Okay.
Okay.
Where are the Excel sheets? Excel. What happened? This is. Uh, these three tables are there, right? Order, product. Okay.
Yes. Hmm.
Control C, or you may just go and drag into the Excel. Here you can see all files are open. All files open.
Yes.
But the one problem is in each file, first file, this is the second file, this is the third file, and this is the fourth file, right? Instead of opening multiple files, you can simply that thing you can use text to column thing, right? Or you may go simply in Power Query. Power Query, get data, launch Power Query, and launch Power Query. First of all, correct the data. I need from new resources file, from CSV file, downloads. I need one, two, three. I can't select multiple files here. I first import this. Why I am importing here? Because I need to correct the data because that columns names are missing right there. Now again go and product. Okay. Now again orders. File CSV order details. These different tables are appearing there, right? We can check here if there is any error. No error is there. Okay. And here we can't make any connection because this is not for data modeling, right? The
Yes.
table, this is Power Query, no? We can't do that. So first of
Then
all,
mul-
close and load. Close and load. This data is loading here. Here you can see all the connections has been created. Queries and connection has been created, but there is nothing in connection.
Hmm.
Okay, because connection still not created. Yeah, this is the old connection. Okay, this is old one connection, but new connections are there. Okay, now if you ask her how to connect data directly, na, if you go in data, here you can see in data modeling, there is a relationship technique. By using this relationship model, I can create new, go to the table, select table one. What was the table? First one table is customer. I want to connect with so which column I will select customer ID and with which table I can connect with mm, order detail, right? In order detail, don't have customer ID. Wait. Then I think in order we have customer ID, and this is how it makes the relation. This is now relation has been created, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I hope you understand. This is also the way to delete. Okay.
The easy
This is
sir.
also the way to do the same things. Okay.
Yes.
Same thing. I can create multiple connection here and delete them. But the issue is I can't see how it's connecting. For that person, again go to the data modeling.
Manage data.
Okay. In data modeling, what here you can see all the tables which we have. Okay. Now it's in correct form. Everything is correct here. Instead, except this idiotic one. So we need to
Oh,
delete
no.
this. Delete. Okay. Now it's deleted. Why it's not deleting app? It's taking time. Now it's deleted. Okay. Now order. Okay. Now it's correct. Correct form of data. Except this one. Okay. Leave it. It doesn't matter for now because we are not focusing on it. Go to the design. Create relationship. In create relationship, where did I go?
Design.
Where did I went? Create relationship. In
Design.
relationship, yes. In this table,
Mm.
select this one and product ID is there. Only similar column you have to select. Okay. Now, which table do if you want to select order details or customer? If there is no so this there is no common keys. There are no common keys in between them. So leave that table. Find the first of all column keys are no column keys again. Yes. I have here. Here I have and here I have. Now click on OK. Okay. Yeah, it's showing me saying me that it's already in connection because I think already we already connected it. Here you can see the connection. Where in manage relationship. In manage relationship, you can see yeah, it's connected many to one, and many to one. To order details. These all things are connected. If you want to edit it again, yes, by clicking here you can edit. Here you can see the which data it has been connected. Okay. Now data relationship has been connected. But how we can see in diagram? In diagram you can see the connection. Here you can see this is the connection one to many, and one to many, or many to one.
No problem.
Okay. Simply you can do these all things by just double clicking on it. Double clicking
Mm.
on the connection. If you want to edit it now, simply double click here. Here you can. Okay. If you want to modify something, now, simply if I want to connect this table to this table, right? I can connect. Not, I want to connect this. If there is something similar, it will connect automatically. Because I don't have any similar data, it's difficult. I have product ID, order ID. I am trying to connect this one. It will not connect because those all connect. It's connected. How is possible? Okay, it's connected. I don't know why. I think it's found order ID and then let's check the table. Let's check the table. What are the same? Oh, order ID and customer ID are same.
Mm.
Oh, it's but nothing is same there. Why? Because of data type, I think it's misleading. It's wrong. Okay, don't do like this. Okay, so I'm
Mhm.
going to delete this relationship, and we need to how to remove this relationship. Just go to the design, manage relationship, and delete this relationship because this relationship is correct. This relationship here is no, it's not active. So it's not active. This is the wrong relationship. We need to delete this. How we can delete just by clicking this and okay, this relationship has been deleted. And this is the connection. This is perfect relationship we have created. Why this called star schema? Here you can see if I move this table somewhere, here you can see one table is in the center. Okay, this is not a star schema. This is a direct binary schema. There is nothing like star. Okay. Customer ID. Do you have customer ID here? Order ID, product ID is here. Product ID is there. If I is this product ID? Order ID. Order. Okay, it's already connected. No star schema is there. It's general schema. Okay. Star schema means one table is in middle and others are connecting with them. It's called star schema. Okay.
Okay.
This is some kind of flow flex scheme. Now come to the calculation, automatic calculation. What is calculating is calculating the quantity, it's calculating the day, it's calculating the sale, right? Product quantity or product sale. Okay,
Mm.
ordered it. So this way you can count here product ID and order price, but price column is missing from there. So we need different data for to perform this. So why do we created this? Just save, save it and close this. Now it's closed, right? Here you can see connections are made, queries are made. Now what is the effect of this all things? If you close this now, simply if you go there, go to the data. In data tool, if you click on the advanced, oh no. We want that advanced connection, go to the properties. What happened to this here? Okay. This data model is created. Now come to the table and query. Here you can see in this query, we do here you can duplicate or merge and append. Now because they all are in relationship, that's why it's activated. Okay. Here is okay, same thing. I activated this query here. Okay. Now come to the table design. Before going to the table design, we need pivot table. Pivot function. We need pivot function. From data model. Okay. Now here you can see these all tables are in one line. Okay, this different data table I can connect with. If I go and ask the customer row ID, and I can connect the same thing with orders, which customer purchased what, how many counts. Here you can see how many it purchased. Okay, here you can
Mm.
see it's counting. I want to count, not to sum, because okay, count. And what it purchased for to see it, I can uh, order details. No, product details. I want product details. Product details in product. So I can say this product here in column. Here you can see this is table. Because this all data is in different tables, right? But I am eligible of doing creating a pivot from all these tables. That's why we are using this. Okay. This is how we're creating the relationship table. That's the purpose. This is the purpose behind it, where we can create multiple table and create a pivot table from it, or create or acquire a summary from it, or a few more tables we can create in similar way. In design, again pivot. Here you can see the relationship. If is there any issue, you can activate or deactivate it. And in the same way, I can insert a slicer of what I want, slicer of slicer of customer name, or you can also add a slicer of product, okay, or a product category. If you click here, I want to change the view first of all. Now this change simple. If I click here you can see the changes. This is how it affects. Okay. In similar way, if I go and what you may say, create a pivot chart where pivot chart is arriving. In similar way, it affects.
Mm.
Okay, this is the data. Here you can see all the charts. And if I select multiple, if I want to know information about murder printer, okay. Again, I can create another one slicer from the slicer setting. I don't want to do this. Go and pivot analyze and create another one slicer. Product. I think this is the product category. Okay, but on the basis of the product category, yes, this is the product category. And if I click on the electronic, only electronic item will appear. If I click on the office, this is that's why we are using data model because Each and every information is in different table, but when we enter, we're providing the data from all those sheets. Okay,
Okay.
hope you understand this.
Yes, sir. तो एक बार प्रैक्टिकल करे तो
Any issue? हाँ नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल जरा सा नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा करना पड़ेगा, बहुत थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इधर उधर चला गया और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ही चीजें बता दिया। एक चीज सादे तरीके से बता सकता था मैं, क्या बोल के कि रिलेशनशिप डायरेक्ट वहीं का भी बना के बता दे सकता था बाकी चीजें बताने। मुझे थोड़ा सोचा कि मैं थोड़ा एडवांस बताने की जाऊँ तो एडवांस चीजों में घुस गया एकदम, तो आप लोग उसको इग्नोर कर सकते हैं, आप सिंपल तरीके से जा सकते हैं इसमें। ओके, वो मैंने इंपोर्ट करने के टेक्निक अलग अलग बताया, अलग अलग तरीके से फाइल खोलने की टेक्निक बताया, वो जरूरी नहीं है, वो आपको आया तो आपके लिए बेहतर है, नहीं आया तो भी कोई परेशानी नहीं है, आप एक ही तरीके से करो तो भी चलेगा। ओके,
Okay. We'll continue tomorrow, sir.
नो दिस इज फिनिश्ड।
No, it's
Data
already
modeling is
one.
completed,
One.
relationship is completed, only KPI is remaining.
I'm asking that. Can we continue tomorrow? It's already 1:25.
सर नमाज का भी टाइम हो रहा सर।
Tomorrow will be no classes, as you know.
Sorry, Monday.
Don't you
Sorry,
know?
sorry. Sorry, sorry.
Okay. Here you can create new measures. I can create new measures. Measure one I can name is total product and create a check formula. I can create a formula in the value of, I can create a count if. I can add a count if.
Sir, today it is enough, sir, because we'll confuse more. There is lot of
Okay, okay, okay.
1 to 1, 1 to 9.
This ये सब हो क्यों रहा है क्योंकि मैं थ्योरी सामने नहीं रख रहा। क्या है ना, आपके सामने ऐसे ये यूट्यूबर के जैसा पढ़ाना हो गया, ऐसे नहीं पढ़ाया जाता। एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, एक रेफरेंस पहले सामने रखना होता है जिसमें आपको स्टेप दिखते, असलम सर क्या कर रहे हैं आपको समझ में आता है, क्योंकि बार बार आप वो स्टेप जाके पढ़ सकते हैं तो आपको समझ में आता है, अच्छा अच्छा ये सब स्टेप किए। तो कल हम चैट जीपीटी के स्टेप निकालेंगे यही चीज से लेके, कल नहीं मंडे को, और मंडे को फिर से करके देखेंगे स्टेप, और एक अच्छे से केपीआई बनाएंगे, अलग अलग मेजर बनाएंगे, मस्त अच्छे अच्छे बढ़िया से बढ़िया फॉर्मूले लगा के मेजर बनाएंगे, और मेजर बना के बढ़िया से बढ़िया की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर बनाएंगे। थोड़ी सी थ्योरी रहेगी पहले, की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर होता क्या है, क्यों है, क्योंकि ये व्हाई वी यूज की परफॉर्मेंस इंडिकेटर, व्हाट वी डू इन मेजर, इसके ऊपर थोड़ी सी थ्योरी रहेगी, जैसे क्या थ्योरी थी वन टू मेनी और मेनी टू मेनी, राइट, डेटा रिलेशनशिप पे। तो आज समझ में आ गया, एनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन है?
नो सर।
कल हम केपीआई क्या है उसकी थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे पहले, बाद में डबल से करेंगे, हमने जो रिलेशनशिप डबल से बनाया था उसको डबल से रिवाइज करेंगे, कुछ खास बनाएंगे, बड़ा टेबल लेंगे, बड़ी सी चीजें अच्छी अच्छी चीजें बनाएंगे। ओके, और उसमें क्या करेंगे, एडिशनल थिंग कर देंगे, कंडीशनल कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग फेंक के मारेंगे, आइकॉन यूज करेंगे हम। ओके, हमारी तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा, मेरी तरफ से आपको एक्स्ट्रा बोनस। कहाँ से वो भी कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग, वहां जाके नहीं, वो जो खुलता है ना पिवोट टेबल का जो फंक्शन खुलता है,
ओके।
वहां से केपीआई पर अपन कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग लगाएंगे, वो कैसे लगाते हैं वो देखेंगे, बहुत यूनिक कंसेप्ट है ना।
यस।
Okay, ठीक है, दिस इज इनफ फॉर टुडे।